ज़ेन और बौद्धों ने कहा, एक ने कहा मैं शून्य बन रहा हूँ, एक ने कहा मैं अपने को ही देख रहा हूँ। फ्रांसीसी नन्स ने कहा कि ईसा हमारे गोद में आ रहे हैं, हमारे यूनिटी, नो डिफरेंस। तो ये जो परिस्थिति है, दैट इज द रियलाइजेशन दैट आत्मा इज ब्रह्म। वो भारत में संभव है। भारत में करने वाले और जानने वाले और बताने वाले लोग हैं, वो साधना आप कर सकते हैं। तब उसके साथ जब आप ये महर्षि जी का ये ज्ञान दिखाएंगे, वो कंप्लीट होगा, वो पूर्ण होगा। क्योंकि आप एक दृश्य दिखा रहे हैं, ये साधना दूसरा दृश्य दिखा रही है, presenting another aspect, and that you are presenting one aspect. These are both of them make a complete picture. It is a holistic picture. It cannot be one-sided. So, my point is this: that the Vedas give you all methods. They prescribe all prescriptions for the realization. That's the thing. Now you see that I started an experiment as a minister in certain institutions, that what happens when you recite Vedic mantras. And now there are studies which are saying what happens when you recite Om, if you recite it with loud voice, with low voice, and only without your internal voice. There are very serious changes in the functioning of your brain. So that establishes that the Vedic mantras have a very special language, very special phonetic effect. And I tell you that it is Vedas who had first used the binary system. These students were chanting Vedic mantras. You must have seen they were moving their hands something like this or this. If you see a real Vedic chanter, you'll be using this way, that way, this way, that way. That is talking about the meter of the mantra. This meter uses binary systems. Lagu Guru. Just like 0, 1, positive, negative. Lagu Guru. So the discoverer, the Vedas do have binary system. That is the knowledge for computer. Without binary system, they cannot. And Pingal's Chanda Shastra, that is use binary system, that is how one binary system can be changed into decimal system, etc., etc. So these are certain very special attributes of Vedic studies. And the gentleman, the great scientist Schrödinger, who discovered quantum mechanics, has himself said that whatever I am doing in this new mechanics, I am realizing only what the Vedic Siddhant of Atma is Brahman, is being actualized. And he rejects the theory of plurality of souls. He says that's not correct. Soul is only singular. There is one universal soul which manifests itself in diversity. This diversity is the manifestation of the Supreme Soul, of the Brahman. It's not that these souls are different souls. No, we are all one soul. Therefore, the Vedic Rishi says, Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam. This world is a family. We are all members of the family. We are all belonging to the same Brahman system of Brahman being manifested through us. To realize, yes, you are also a Brahman. He is also a Brahman. He is also a Brahman. We are all Brahman. That makes a great change in our attitude. I will come to it a little bit. Then he says that Ekam Sat Vipraha Bahudha Vadanti. Truth, reality is one, but it is described many words. Truth is, sense is the same. Sat is the same. Reality is the same. You must be seeing this aspect of this microphone. I am seeing this one. But we are both observing the same. आप इस झंडे को उधर से देख रहे हैं, मैं इधर से देख रहा हूँ, ये दोनों एक ही झंडे को रहे, झगड़ा रहेगा, मैं सच की तू सच, दोनों ही सच है। तो ये जो रियलाइजेशन है, एकम सत विप्रा बहुधा भवन्ति, दिस इज द प्रिंसिपल फॉर डेमोक्रेसी, दिस इज द प्रिंसिपल फॉर सेकुलरिज्म सो कॉल्ड, देयर इज नो डिफरेंस। लेट अस टॉक, लेट अस अंडरस्टैंड ईच अदर। अभी तुम क्या देख रहे हो हमें बताओ, मैं क्या देख रहा हूँ तुम्हें बताएं, वी विल कम टू ए सिंगल कंक्लूजन। Therefore, the Vedic Rishi says, Vade Vade Gayate Kartabuddha. Through discourse, you come to the reality, to the essence, to the final product. There is no difference because he says, Ekam Sad Vipra Bhavna. Whether you go by this way, go by a masjid, by go a church, by go this, but you are trying to reach the same thing. So, essentially, these two are very great principles, along with the third, and that is unity in diversity. If these three principles are practiced, no problem in the world, whether international, political, economic, social, geographical, territorial, will be managed. This is what India will make India. This is why India will become the light for the light. It is here that we have a special message for the world. You are one family. Why are you not working? Why are you fighting? What happens in Syria? What happens in Ukraine? What happens between India and Pakistan? Why it should happen? It should not. But it happens because of non-realization. So this realization, to make humanity to realize this essential truth, is the work of India. We have done in the past. We do it again. Possibility to do. We said it in this part of the world. Not only for India, we have said it for entire. Therefore, India can become and will become the light for mankind if India really practices, which we are trying to do. When we are able to do it, we will certainly become not only a light, but a lighthouse for the world. It will be the beacon's light. The Vedic technology, as you say, is also very simple. Vedic technology, said all instruments are there. But I say not needed so many big instruments. It is because we are part of the Brahman, we are in the system. We belong to the same system. We are created by nature, as you say. The earth, the water, the energy, everything is there, and we are there, we are part of it. If you pollute water, you pollute yourself. If you pollute air, you pollute yourself. If you pollute environment, you pollute yourself. So, please take care while going for any material development, whether you are destroying nature beyond a repair, and if you are destroying nature beyond a repair, you are destroying yourself. I have been created under a special circumstance. But I need food, I need water, air, and so many other things to live, and live comfortably. But how much comfort? To what extent can I degrade the atmosphere and the environment? And if we can go on continuously degrading the environment, we will someday extinct ourselves. Now people are warning, please, don't degrade environment, ecology, conferences, world conferences, and again fight on it. I will use this much, but I must use this much, you must use less, I must use more. The developed countries are saying, no, we will continue to use like this. Underdeveloped countries, you don't come forward. Why? क्यों? सिर्फ विकसित देश ही सारा काम करें और ये जो बेचारे अविकसित हैं या आगे बढ़ रहे हैं वो कुछ न करें, ये कैसे हो सकता है? इसलिए वेद कहता है, वैदिक ऋषि बताता है कि आप जरा ध्यान दीजिए कि आप हैं कौन. The Isha says, the first mantra of that, ईशावास्यमिदं यत्किंचित् जगत्यां जगत् तेन त्यक्तेन भुञ्जीथा मा गृह्णकस्य सिद्धम्. This whole creation is the abode of Brahma. I live in the abode with Brahma. कहते ये धन किसका है, ये प्रॉपर्टी किसकी है, तेरी है. It belongs to what? To the Brahma. तो इसका how do you use it? I have to live, so I have to use this. He says, yes, do use it. तेन त्यक्तेन भुंजीता. Use it with prudence. What prudence?